Wall ball shots, mastering the move in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fitness term that's popular in gyms around the world. Wall ball shots. This phrase might sound strange at first, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Wall ball shots are a type of exercise found in many fitness routines, especially in CrossFit. It involves two main elements: a medicine ball and a wall. The exercise is a compound movement combining a squat with a throw. Participants squat while holding the ball, then stand up and throw the ball to a target on the wall. Let's dissect the phrase. Wall refers to the vertical structure you'll be facing and targeting. Ball, this is the medicine ball, a weighted ball used for exercise. Shots, in this context, it means throwing or launching the ball towards the wall. Together, wall ball shots literally means throwing a ball against a wall as part of an exercise. Wall ball shots are popular because they provide a full-body workout. They improve cardiovascular stamina, strength, and coordination. The exercise is also scalable, meaning it can be adjusted for different fitness levels by changing the weight of the ball or the height of the target. When pronouncing wall ball shots, focus on wall. Sounds like wall, rhyming with hall. Ball, the A, sounds like the A in father. Shots, the O sounds like the O in not. Be careful not to confuse it with shoes or shoots. That's all about wall ball shots. We hope this video helps you understand not just the meaning of the phrase but also how it fits into the world of fitness. Stay tuned for more English language learning content, and remember, practice makes perfect.